Hi everybody, I'm here with Ray Greenstreet. Ray, we just had a fascinating conversation about green walls. Tell me something that I just found out. What is an active green wall?
So an active green wall is we're actually bringing the air from this lobby or from your room or hotel room, and we're bringing it through the plant material, through the roots, and back out into the atmosphere. And what happens is we get rid of all the particulates, we clean the air, we re-oxygenate the air, and we break down any pollution or VOCs that are given off from the furniture and carpets and paint inside.
So this wall is now helping us breathe better, cleaner, more oxygenized air.
Basically, we're bringing Mother Nature inside. It's almost like a biological filter. And this wall cleans 1.3 million cubic feet of air in this building. So the fans run 24/7. We're constantly pulling the air that's in the room, force it through the plant material. The other thing that's cool about that is it helps the plants, because it's like a turbocharger in your car. We're stimulating the plants with the air and the moisture, and it makes them more active, and it just creates huge benefits. It also gets rid of all any smells. You know, gym smell, human smells.
So first of all, it's amazing. It's just breathtakingly beautiful. I know I feel better just by coming in and looking at it. But what are the two main benefits that active live green wall has?
So one is the aesthetic beauty. So everybody wants to be around green, and you want plants, and makes you more active and more productive in your job, makes you feel better, and actually makes you healthier, because it helps break down some of the different diseases and flu viruses, all those other things. And the other piece is we're re-oxygenating the air. We're making a better, cleaner place for you to work inside. Did you know the average American spends 90% of the time inside a building?
95
Okay.
in my case.
So, we need to bring nature back in. You know, plants used to be everywhere in buildings, and then they kind of swung out, and now we have a new way to bring plants into a building that doesn't take any extra room up, adds really almost like a masterpiece. It's a piece of art. And you watch the people come in today, they stop, they look, a lot of them don't think they're real. We've actually had a few people say, make sure you leave some yellow leaves up there so people know that it's actually real and it's not fake.
So one thing that I want to share with you guys, I invested on real estate, and a lot of our friends invest in real estate. Something I've learned, this actually grows the value of your properties, which is amazing.
So, and it actually helps your footsteps. So we do have a couple restaurants we do, and a place up in New York, and they're actually seeing their footsteps increase just for people to come see the green wall. So at this place, or this office building, we leave the lights on a little bit longer on the green wall. So when people drive by from Reagan Airport, they see this beautiful piece of art at night. And I have friends, I just flew in from Reagan, and tell me about the wall they just saw. I was like, yeah, that's my wall.
So Ray, thank you very much. Guys, please
Thank you.
enjoy this view. It is breathtaking.